Okay, so I'm going to show you in today's video how to block or unblock an account on Instagram. So I pick this person randomly. I don't know who this person is. I just typed James in and this is the first account that came up. What you need to do is you need to press the top 3 buttons on the top right. And when you do that, it then says, it gives you the options to restrict, block, or report the account. So I'm going to click block, and then you can then block the account by pressing the block button. A key thing to note is they won't be able to message you, find your account, and they won't be notified that you've blocked them. So here you can see this page has now been blocked. And now to unblock them, I'm going to show you what to do. So I'm just going to find their username again. So you can see there is an option now. I'm back on the page. I can't see their posts, but there is an option there to unblock. So I'll just press unblock. It says, are you sure you want to unblock? So you press unblock again, which is there highlighted in red. And then the account is now going to be unblocked.